Hey friends, if you wish to install or uninstall Microsoft Store apps in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So to install any Microsoft Store app, simply open the Microsoft Store either from here or simply search for it. Okay, and then open it. And then scroll down to the app which you wish to install or search for it, whatever you prefer. Okay, I'll just scroll down and show. Click on it and select install. Or to need a while to install that app. And to uninstall any Microsoft Store app, simply right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps in the right pane. Now scroll down and then find the application which you wish to uninstall. Okay, and then click on the three dots associated with it and select uninstall and uninstall once again. This is how you can uninstall any Microsoft Store applications from your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.